Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, setting money aside for emergencies. How much should you save? Building an emergency fund is a key part of financial planning. Unexpected situations, like losing a job or sudden home repairs, can happen at any time. Having savings set aside can help manage these surprises without causing financial strain. A common recommendation is to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This is based on how long it typically takes to find new employment. However, during economic downturns, it may take longer. Some experts now suggest saving enough to cover 6 to 9 months of expenses for added security. How to start saving? Track your spending for a few months to see where your money goes. Identify areas where you can cut back and set a savings goal. Even small, consistent contributions can add up over time. Consider using budgeting tools and resources to help manage your money effectively. Some financial products also offer rewards that can help free up cash for savings. However, be mindful of interest charges if using credit cards to accumulate points. Choosing the right account? An emergency fund should be kept in an account that is easily accessible when needed. Options include traditional savings account, high-yield savings accounts, and money market accounts. Each option has different benefits, so it's important to find out ones that fit your needs. Many banks offer a variety of savings accounts, including those tailored for emergency funds. Visiting a branch or speaking with a financial professional can help determine the best options for your situation. Having a dedicated account ensures that money set aside for emergency remains separate from your daily expenses. Planning for financial stability? Savings for emergencies takes time, but consistency is key. By setting aside a portion of your income each month, you can gradually build a financial cushion. This helps provide peace of mind and financial stability when unexpected events rise. Comment if you have any questions regarding setting up emergency funds, or check out the many videos I have on budgeting or personal finance. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.